Stories by Sundus Ali, a platform for mothers looking for motivational, informative, and moral stories for kids. Our bedtime stories usually ends up on an important message and something useful for our children to learn from. The stories are on religious topics, being patriotic, about space, astronauts, science, fictional characters. Life of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the companions of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Pakistan and countries around the world. Stories by Sundus Ali is a place where I can raise my voice against oppressed nations and countries. My aim is to record beautiful memories of my life and colorful stories for the tarbiyah of my future generation. Raising our children under true Islamic values is of utmost importance, along with making the learning process interesting and a joy. I welcome you all to benefit from our treasure. Share your valuable feedback by commenting in order to help us make this story roller coaster ride a fun. Thank you.